Hi guys, this is Sanya and welcome back to my channel. To those who are new to this channel, please do subscribe. It helps a lot to my channel to grow, to reach wider audience. And the ones who have already subscribed, thank you so much you guys. This means a lot to me. And also do like, comment, share and subscribe. Share it with your family and friends. So thank you so much. And so diving into the main introductory part. In today's video we'll be making fridge magnets. These magnets are made up of air dry clay. These air dry clay you can easily find in your nearby stationeries, and the one that I have used throughout the process is of Fevicrylic Mouldit. The packet it's just for ₹25. I've used 4 packets for this entire video. So yeah, that's about it. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video.
So in this video we're gonna make fridge magnets. Here we have a little Dino, cute little hen, and this is our Snail. I really loved it. And then we have Tortoise, and they're really cute. So the mold that we'll be using in this video is Fevicrylic Mouldit, which is an air dry clay. It comes with 2 packets. One is hardener and one is the resin. So now we're gonna tear the packet. So the resin one is the whitish one. It is a little sticky, and the second that we have is the hardener. So the hardener is in the dark brown grayish in color. So we're gonna cut equal quantity of both and mix it well. So we're gonna keep mixing it up until we have an even white creamish dough. So this is the color of the dough that it should be in, a clear white creamish color. I'm gonna start with rolling the mold and then place it on the butter paper in this exact way. So for tortoise base, it's necessary for you to follow the same process, and this is how the base should look like. Now that we are done with the base, for the top we're gonna take a dough and keep the base flat and top a bit round. Placing the dough on the base of tortoise, we're gonna go ahead with detailing. So detailing is my favorite part of the lot. Now with the help of blunt tool, we're gonna add some details to our little tortoise here. and with this our tortoise is ready. Now for our dino friend, we are gonna shape the dino with hand until we get our desired shape. For this we are gonna need a lot of patience, so bear with me and you're gonna love the result though. So once we have our desired shape, we are gonna smooth out the edges and flatten it a bit. For this you can use your flattening tools, or you can also do it with the help of brush and water to remove fingerprint marks or any such things. So it really helps. I used only that in the entire process, so you can do it too. And now we're gonna add the little legs. You can also use brush to stick it to the mold. We're gonna do the same to the tortoise as well. So now that we are done, we are gonna roll a bit of clay and flatten it with scale, just like this. So the shape is really not necessary, we just need to flatten it up. So now with the help of blade, we're gonna cut triangular shapes just like I've done here in the video. So now I'll remove one piece and place it at the back of the dino and repeat this process. So now I'm gonna let these two dry for 15-20 minutes and start with a new one. So now we're gonna start with Snail. So now for Snail, we are going to roll the mold and taper it down. This is gonna be used as the base for the snail. So now we're gonna place it on the butter paper, and for the back of the snail we again gonna do the same thing, that is tapering down the mold a little and then giving it this shape, that is rolling the mold. And now we'll place this on the snail, so this becomes a top and the other becomes a bottom. So for I am rolling small two balls, and for the eye we're gonna place small little balls on top of this, and with the ball tool we're gonna make the mouth. So first I thought of painting polka dots on the snail back, but then I thought of giving it more of a 3D look and then painting on it. So this is what I tried and I absolutely loved it. So if I make a video next time, so I'm definitely gonna do more of these 3D looks rather than painting intricate design on it. Moving ahead, we're gonna start flattening up the mold with the rolling pin, just the way I am doing it right here in the video. So now for this specific hen, I used the hardener, and the hardener for this one was really bad. It was very sticky, and the color too was a very weird brownish color. It was really bad, and working with this specific mold, it made it really difficult, and plus it did not stay right. It kept falling again and again, but then I worked it through, and yeah, so the end result was good. That's all that matters. So yeah, going ahead, we are gonna stick this thing. I have just made this design, and again, this is for the 3D look itself. I could have easily painted it, but when you have this 3D look, it looks really nice. Now we are doing some intricate designs on it, so enjoy the process. So now we're gonna do the painting, which is gonna make these dull grey looking clay look more brighter and cuter. So starting with our little dino, we are gonna paint green colored acrylic paint on them. So I thought of not using base, as the base, the clay is already a bit white greyish in tone. So I did not feel the need of giving it a base tone, and yeah, I just had to use green twice. That is, first I had to paint the green coat, and again I had to apply a second coat on it. So for the spike back, I am gonna use pink color, and for the dino itself, as you can see, I have used green, lightish green color. And we're gonna paint the eye white. So with the help of balling tool, I am gonna just make a black circle for the eye, and it made it very easier. So with this, our dino is complete. Moving on to Tortoise, so we're gonna paint the base as white color. So for the base, I'll be using yellow color, and also I'll be using deep yellow color for some detailing here and there. So now we're gonna paint the snail. The base I'll be painting with pink color. The back of the snail I'll paint that with blue, and the detailing, the 3D ones, I'll paint that with white, as well as the eyeball, and the eye I'll paint that with black color. Enjoy the process. So now starting with the hen, we're gonna paint the base in black color and the main body in white color. So as you can see, for the eye I have used black color, and for the beak I am using a deep yellow color. So for the comb and for the wattles I'll be using crimson red color. Now comes the detailing. So on the black base I am making small polka dots with the help of balling tool. As you can see, it makes the process very easier. So once the paint has dried, I am gonna use these magnets to stick at the back with the super glue, just like I am showing in the video. We are gonna use varnish to apply as a top coat on our fridge magnets to protect the paint from dust and dirt. And this evens out the painting's final appearance and making it appear more glossy. You can also use the matte ones, it's just the glossy one I really prefer. I like the gloss effect. With this we are done with the video. Do let me know if you'd like me to make such more videos. If you like the video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much for showing your love. Thank you.